The National Economic Council, under the chairmanship of His Excellency, the Vice President, Kashim Shettima GCON, sat and deliberated on many key economic issues, one of which is the presentation made by the Honorable Minister, Regional Development. The Honorable Minister of Regional Development made a presentation on the National Regional Development Policy. And at the end of his presentation, Council was called upon to note that Nigeria needs the National Regional Development Policy now because of, one, persistent spatial inequalities, two, fragmented regional interventions, three, the MTNDP 2026 to 2030 alignment, and for international best practice. Now, the justification for the development of NRDP is two. Number one, provide oversight in the formulation and implementation of policies and frameworks to guide regional development and ensure alignment with national goals. Number two, to coordinate the formulation and implementation of development master plans for the regional development commissions in collaboration with the states. And number three, to supervise the operations of regional development commissions. Again, the presidential priorities include reform the economy to deliver sustained inclusive growth, strengthen national security for peace and prosperity, boost agriculture to achieve food security, as well as unlock energy and natural resources for sustainable development, enhance infrastructure and transportation as enablers of growth, focus on education, health and social investments as essential pillars of development, enhance infrastructure and transportation also, accelerate industrialization through digital economy, manufacturing, and innovative technology. The prayer, the way forward, and call to action include the endorsement of the NRDP 2026 to 2030 policy, approve the RDPF mechanism, mandate the state endorsement, and support regional development bank. Gentlemen of the press, at the end of the day, resolutions reached include number one, that Council directed the Minister of Regional Planning, Regional Development to share the proposed NRDP 2026 to 2030 with the state governors in order to digest and make inputs. Number two, Council also urged the Minister of Regional Development to reach out to the Nigeria Governors Forum to have robust conversation with subnationals on the proposal. Thank you very much.